Hello everyone, it's Momo here. Welcome back to another DIY. I hope your week is going well so far. Today I'm going to be making this bodysuit with long sleeves and lettuce trimming all around. This was inspired by autumn. The weather is getting a little chilly, but you can just chuck this on without having to throw on another sweater or jacket. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. I'm using the same stretch knit fabric from the matching two-piece loungewear set. This has medium weight and I feel like it's perfect for the cooler weather because it's not too thin. I'm using a bodysuit as a base, but if you don't have one, you can also just match up a fitted top to an underwear and trace out the basic shape from there. Make sure to add 1/2 inch seam allowance to all raw edges. I also traced out the sleeves from an existing top, but I curved out the bottom so that there's a little bell shape at the end of the sleeves. With right sides together, sew the shoulder and side seams. To make the bodysuit a little more fitted, I added 2 darts to the armholes, and I'm also going to take in about 4 inches from either side. Of course, this meant having to reshape the bottom of the bodysuit. Moving on to the sleeves, sew the raw edges together. Turn it right side out and insert it into the bodice. I also prepared this neckband that is about 2 inches wide and 1/2 inch shorter than the total circumference of the neck. When it's finished, I want the raw edge facing up because the lettuce trimming is going to be sewn right on the raw edge. So with the neckband folded in half, attach the folded edge to the neckline. Sew all the seams together. Even out the 2 layers of the neckband. Create the lettuce trimming using a zigzag stitch that is very narrow and has a very short stitch length. Stretch the raw edge all the way while sewing. Now, we all want to prevent the underwear line, right? Instead of folding the raw edge under like usual, I'm just going to attach a lace trimming right on top of the raw edge. Secure it with the zigzag stitch. Fold the ends of the tail under by about 1 inch and secure it with a zigzag stitch. Then have some fun attaching the snap buttons. I might have to make this a little more fitted, but I think it's going to do for now. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!